Hello boys and girls, Mohit Agarwal here. I'll keep the video very short and only 2 minutes I'll take. So, as you could have seen from the title, I have copied the title from the notification of C Institute itself, which says important announcement, November 2020 CA examination dated 12th of November 2020, that is today. So, lot of rumors were going around and students were again asking again and again that sir, November exams which are scheduled to begin from 21st of November, are they also postponed? So to clarify it, to kill the rumors, C Institute has come up with a notification which states that the forthcoming C examination are scheduled to commence from 21st November to 14th December, and it is once again, obviously all the remaining options remaining the same. That is, if you wish, you can opt out for the November 22nd cycle also, which will take place in January, February. And it is again reiterated and clarified that the examinations will be conducted as per notified schedule. ICAI has already issued SOP for the students who are set to appear, and related announcements fully highlight the etc. safety measures and all. ICAI has also come across certain false and scandalous communication being communicated on social media, which is misleading the candidates and creating panic in their minds. Students and stakeholders are informed that ICAI has already initiated legal proceedings, etc. Okay. So this important announcement simply states that whatever rumor mongering was there, it should come to an end, and the exams are as per schedule from 12th of November, and obviously all the options which were given still remains the same. Okay. So अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते चलो, और ये announcement I had to make because many of the students were asking me also personally and through email and WhatsApp that what, exams have been again postponed, is it so? Answer is no, straight away no. Okay. So all the options are you are already having, and make sure you use the best to your advantage. Okay. And regarding to opt out or not, I have already made several videos on that issue, and I have given you a clear cut decision on it, so you can watch that video as well if you are in a dilemma whether to opt out or not. Take care, bye bye, and happy Dhanteras and happy Diwali bhai.